Hello everyone, welcome back to DataSurface. As I mentioned in my intro video, I will be exploring everything in the data space, right? So from the basics to advanced concepts. So to kickstart of things, I'm starting a new playlist that will cover foundational data concepts, including what is data and how it is evolving today's digital world, and the different types of data and how the legacy systems are stores and analyze and process this data. All those things we are going to cover as part of this playlist. So in this video, we are deep diving into the core concepts of data. So what exactly is data? So what is mean by data? In simple words, the data is information gathered through observations or interactions. It comes in various forms like a numbers, text, images, audio, and video. Right? In a simple words, whenever we are talking as data is a collection of information. So how it is gathering? It is a kind of a through some observations we are going to or some interactions we are going to gather this data, and this data can come various forms like numbers, text, images, audio, video, right? So, in every day, approximately 2.5 quintillion bytes of data is creating. So, 2.5 quintillion means if you are converting the data into terabytes, 2.5 million terabytes of data is generating every day. So, to visualize it, how much data it is, like if you imagine a stack of smartphones putting from earth to moon, and you can come back from moon to earth, like if we are placing all the smartphone stack, if you're building a tower from earth and you can reach the moon and you can come back from the moon, that much data is generating, right? Sounds are crazy, right? So but what does this vast ocean of information mean for us? So what, like, how we are going to get insights from this data? So what is mean how this much data is generating and how you can look at the data? So when we talk about data, we are referring to the information generated by actions like sending a message or taking a photo. So each of these actions creates data which when analyzed can reveal useful insights. Which means like we have a social media, right? Like if you go WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram, if you post something, if you like or if you comment something, everything under the hood it is generating data. And once you analyze it, then you will get more meaningful or useful insights of this data. Why this data is so important? And if you see, the data itself lacks context and meaning until it is analyzed and organized. That's what I'm saying, right? See, if you're just the data is there in the raw format, we are not going to get any useful information until you process it and analyze it. So in a simply put, the data helps us make better decisions. When we are talking why the data is so important, in a simple words, I would say the data helps us make a better decisions. As in the sense, any kind of business organizations. It enables us to spot trends, observe behaviors, and even predict future outcomes. Consider like you have a retail store. For example, every purchase made, it generates the data, right? Like who purchased that product, what would be the MRP, what is that item description. All this, everything is kind of a data, right? And when this particular data is analyzed, this data reveals which product are popular when sales peaks and what customers prefer. So this information helps the store manage inventory, meet the customer needs, and ultimately grow its business, right? So like if you collecting all this data and you can analyze the data, and you will get to know what products are going out in the market very well and what products are not going good and why it's not selling properly. So based on that, you can take some strategic decisions with respect to their business, and you can improve for the same, right? So if you know the customer interest and you can improve that particular phase, maybe the product manufacturing and all, and you can bring more products into the market. So this is a simple example case. We will see more use cases in upcoming videos. So I hope now we know what is mean by data and how the data is playing key role in today's digital world for every kind of business.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more data engineering tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.